My name is Marcos Trinidad, and I'm a bird conservationist. When I go out in urban spaces, there is so much to learn. And I just think it's so fascinating to come with experience and knowledge and continue to be able to learn through observation. Ravens are doing exactly what they were built to do, making progress towards amplifying their role in ecosystems. Whether or not we agree with that path or the pattern, maybe not. But they are amazing in the sense that they're here, they're making their presence known, and they've embraced the urban environment. So it's really cool to see it. Palm Springs are just this desert space that has its own ecosystem. And a bird like the raven, being one of the smartest birds out there, expand its home range.